Welcome to Las Recetas de Laura. Today we're making chamoy. This is a special sauce that we use to put on top of fruits, vegetables. It's super fresh, fruity flavor, a little savory, a little spicy. It's just amazing. We make paletas, heladas of chamoy. We have ice cream of chamoy. We have many things of chamoy. And actually it's very easy to make at home and it's full of fruit and fiber. And now we're gonna make it with sugar substitute, so still better. Are you ready? Let's cook this deliciosa comida, amigos. For this recipe, you will need the following: 1 cup of prunes, 1 cup of dehydrated apricots, 1 cup of hibiscus flowers, 1 orange, half a cup of tajin or chili powder, 2 lemons, stevia or sugar, that's gonna be 1/4 of a cup, and a pinch of salt. You need to boil 8 cups of water. Place the apricots, the prunes, and the hibiscus flowers inside the boiling water. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. That is gonna help us to hydrate the fruits in a fast way. Now, let it cool down a little bit. We're gonna place 3 cups of water where the fruits were boiling, the same water that we have here in the pot. Put it in the blender. Now we are gonna add the fruits, the hibiscus, and half a cup of tajin. I'm using stevia to sweeten this, but you can use any kind of sugar or sugar substitute. I'm using 1/4 of a cup. Add the juice of 2 lemons, add the juice of 1 orange, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and now let's blend all together until pulverized. So this is my refillable bottle and you need to leave it in the fridge and you just drizzle all your fruit and veggies with it. It's super delicious. I have pineapple, carrot, cucumber, and jicama, which I love. And I'm just gonna dip them with them, or you can just put it on top. My kids really love to have their chamoy. And guys, this is the way to eat it. Super tasty. Guys, I hope you enjoy it. Remember that I have new recipes every week. Mexican recipes made easy, Mexican recipes made healthier. My name is Laura. Look for me on social media as Las Recetas de Laura. And I see you next week en mi casa, que es tu casa. Adiós, amigos, a cocinar delicioso.